Hi, and welcome to your official Loog guitar lessons. My name's Emily Zimmer, and I'm going to be your teacher. Let's rock. In this one, I'm going to teach you a strum pattern with kind of a longer chord progression. So if you need to do one of the simpler ones first, go ahead. There's lots of lessons on those. And this one is going to use a bunch of different chords. First one is C. So make sure you got these chords down. We've got G next. And then we've got A minor and F. That's the first half. So let me go over that one more time. C, G, A minor, and F. And these are also in the chord lesson videos as well as on your flashcards and in the Loog free app. The second half is a little bit easier. It's just C, then G. Then guess what? We're going to do C and G again. And that's the whole thing. So you can think of this as 8 chords, even though some of the chords repeat themselves, just so that you can keep track. Now this chord progression is in lots of songs. It's kind of similar to Let It Be by the Beatles or No Woman, No Cry by Bob Marley. And we're going to do kind of a reggae style strum pattern. Let's try the pattern on just one chord. Let's go to our C, why not? And it's going to go down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Now for each individual chord, we're going to do the down, up, down 2 times. So let's try that in order. First chord, if you recall, is going to be C. So we're going to go down, up, down, down, up, down. Now we're going to move on to our next chord, which is G, and down, up, down, down, up, down. Now we're going to go on to A minor. Now this is 2 patterns per chord, so make sure that you're keeping track. Here's A minor, down, up, down, down, up, down, and F. Down, up, down, down, up, down. Now do you remember the second half? It's C, G, C, G. A little easier to remember. So here's C, and down, up, down, down, up, down. Switch over to G, and down, up, down, down, up, down. And do that whole thing all over. C, and down, up, down, down, up, down, and G. So it's a lot to keep track of, but once you practice this a few times, you'll start to get it. Let's go all the way through the whole progression at about that same speed. And let's try that twice in a row. On my count, a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and C. And G. A minor. And F. And C. And G. And C. And G. And now start again at C. And G. A minor. Are you keeping track? And F. And C. And G. and C. And back to G. Now if you want to be really fancy, land on C and strum one time to end. I love a fancy ending. All right, practice that as slowly as you need to get the groove down, and then speed up very gradually with lots of practice. I know you're going to get it, and I look forward to our next lesson. Remember to subscribe to the Loog Guitars channel, and click the bell icon to get notified every time we have a new lesson up. See you next time.